Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The Best Farm Signs is probably one of the most versatile and charming additions you can make to your outdoor space, offering a unique way to express your personal style, celebrate your agricultural roots, or simply add a touch of rustic elegance to your property. These signs are not just decorative pieces, they are statements that can transform a simple fence, garden gate, or barn into a focal point, inviting conversation and admiration from neighbors and visitors alike. Imagine the impact of a beautifully crafted metal sign greeting guests, or a personalized farm name proudly displayed, creating an immediate sense of place and character that mass-produced decorations simply cannot replicate. They are an investment in your home's aesthetic, providing lasting beauty and a distinctive personality that evolves with your landscape. Number 5. Custom Farmhouse Metal Name Sign. Add a unique touch to your farmhouse or ranch with our custom metal name signs. These signs are designed to bring a distinct charm to your home, perfect for both indoor and outdoor display. Crafted from robust 14-gauge steel, our signs are built to last. They are designed to withstand various weather conditions, ensuring a long-lasting addition to your outdoor decor. Capture the essence of farmhouse living with this beautifully crafted sign. Its rustic design perfectly complements the theme of your farm, ranch, or country home. This sign is not limited to just farmhouses or ranches. Its versatile design makes it an ideal addition to your barn, home garden, or even a small business. Personalize your sign with your family name and established date. It's more than just decor, it's a statement piece that tells your story. What we like. This sign offers a truly personalized touch for your home. It's crafted from robust steel, ensuring it can withstand the elements for years to come. If you're looking to add a unique, family-centric statement piece to your farmhouse or ranch, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. It came quickly in a good shipping box and was accurate as described. It arrived fast and is well made. Our sign turned out great. It highlights the entrance to our drive, giving it a grand look. Number 4. Funny Gardening Metal Sign, Women's Garden Gift. Looking for a unique gift for the gardener in your life? This funny metal sign is sure to bring a smile with its playful message. It's the perfect way to add humor to any outdoor space. Brighten up your yard, patio, or porch with this charming vintage-style sign. It's a delightful addition that adds a touch of humor and personality to your outdoor living areas. Crafted from high-quality aluminum with a glossy, fade-resistant finish, this sign is built to last. It's designed to withstand the elements, ensuring its vibrant colors stay bright for years. Displaying this piece is a breeze thanks to the pre-drilled holes. You can easily hang it on a wall, fence, or even a garden shed using various methods. Searching for a birthday, holiday, or housewarming present? This sign makes a wonderfully unique and playful gift for yourself or someone special who loves gardening. This sign is more than just decor, it's a conversation starter. It's ideal for anyone who appreciates a good laugh and a touch of quirkiness in their garden. What we like. Add a splash of fun to your garden with this witty sign. Made from durable aluminum with vibrant, long-lasting colors, it's built to endure. If you're a gardening enthusiast who appreciates a good laugh, or looking for a unique gift for a fellow gardener, this sign is a fantastic pick. What people say. It is a decent size and the holes in the corners made it easy to hang up. This sign is sturdy and makes a perfect statement. Sturdy material. Great color, not light or faded looking. Very nice detail in picture as well. Number 3. Vintage cow decor sign, live like someone left the gate open tin sign. Crafted from durable, rust-proof metal, this sign boasts a smooth finish for lasting charm. It's designed to add a touch of vintage appeal to your living space. Its rustic design complements various settings, from your living room to your kitchen or even nursery. Hang it on a wall or place it on a shelf to create a warm, inviting atmosphere. This sign features a humorous message that encourages you to live life to the fullest. It's a fun reminder to embrace spontaneity and enjoy every moment. With pre-drilled holes and a sturdy frame, hanging this piece is a breeze. Its lightweight design also allows for easy repositioning around your home. Looking for a unique gift? This charming sign is ideal for anyone who loves farmhouse style. It's a thoughtful addition to any home or office, bringing a smile to their face. What we like. This sign brings a touch of rustic charm and a fun philosophy to your space. Its smooth, rust-proof metal construction ensures durability and a classic look. If you love farmhouse aesthetics and appreciate a reminder to embrace life's spontaneous moments, this is an ideal addition to your home decor. What people say. Sturdy and adorable. It makes me smile. Adorable chicken sign. It's a great addition to my farm theme. The colors of the roosters is very pleasing. Love the humor, will look great in the kitchen. Number 2. Vintage chicken sign, live like someone left the gate open. Bring a touch of rustic charm and playful humor to your home, farm, kitchen, or bathroom. This unique sign is perfect for any space that needs a little personality. Looking for a unique gift? This delightful sign is ideal for anyone who adores farmhouse decor or has a soft spot for chickens. It's sure to bring a smile to their face. Add a humorous touch to your barn or chicken coop with this fun sign. Its playful design and rustic vibe make it a standout piece for any farm-themed area. Crafted from high-quality tin, this sign is designed for durability. Its sturdy construction ensures it will maintain its rustic appeal whether displayed inside or out. Decorating is a breeze with this sign. Featuring pre-drilled holes, it's incredibly easy to hang on walls, fences, or any spot you choose for a quick and convenient style update. This versatile piece fits perfectly into various settings, from cozy homes to bustling farms. Its charming design complements farmhouse aesthetics beautifully. What we like? Bring a smile to your farm or home with this charming chicken-themed sign. Constructed from durable tin, it's designed to maintain its rustic appeal. If you're a chicken lover, a fan of farmhouse decor, or simply enjoy a bit of lighthearted humor in your barn or coop, this sign is a delightful choice. What people say. The metal sign is durable and weather-resistant, holding up well outdoors. Features a clear, easy-to-read design that stands out. The mounting holes are pre-drilled for simple installation. Number 1. Farm Life Vintage Metal Tin Sign. Bring the charm of the countryside into your space. This sign celebrates the simple joys of farm living. Crafted from durable aluminum, this piece is built to last. Its lightweight design makes it easy to display anywhere. Perfect for adding character to your cafe, home, bar, or garage. It's a unique art piece that complements any rustic or vintage theme. Evoke a sense of nostalgia with its classic design. It's an ideal addition for those who appreciate a touch of the past. Whether in your garden, pub, or hotel, this sign adds a distinctive touch. It's a conversation starter that enhances any wall. Looking for a unique gift? This charming sign is perfect for anyone who loves farm life or vintage decor. What we like? This sign captures the essence of farm life in a timeless design. Made from aluminum, it's suitable for a variety of settings, from cafes to gardens. If you appreciate a classic, straightforward ode to rural living and want a versatile piece of decor for your establishment or home, this sign is a great option. What people say. Item was true to size and colors depicted on photos. The metal was a good sturdy material as well. Like the colors, size, and theme. Very cute sign. Sturdy and just what I was looking for. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.